You want safe and reliable e-business services? Come and continue to partner with our DigiCoop platform, fellow members. Here, you'll gain fast, proven, and trustworthy transactions right at your fingertips. Here are testimonials from some of our members who have verified the help and benefits they receive from continuously utilizing our e-business, like DigiCoop. Come, let's hear their stories.
O hindi na kami napunta ng bayan dahil sa malaki ang gastos doon. Pag kami magpapadala, siyempre magbibigay o magpapahingi. Pag kami naman malaki ang gastos, ay di malaki pong alwan dito kay Sir Raymond sa aming pagbabayad at wala nang charge na kinukuha.
Cindy Matera, taga Barangay Matangkap. Para sa akin, yung iniaano ni Raymond, ay malaking kapaboran at ako hindi na napunta sa bayan ng Panukulan hindi na ako pupunta doon. Napakalaking kapaboran sa akin.
Let's join our fellow members in working together to achieve the prosperous and developed future we all dream of for every single Kameari member. Are you going to be left behind? Grab your mobile phone. Download the DigiCoop app now for quick and easy transactions on your savings, share capital buildup, loan payments, remittances, and more. Let's reach our goal of becoming a 1 billion cooperative.